Hello my friends, I'm Mihaela Gimlin, I'm an artist, and today I'll teach you how to paint a colorful puppy dog. So let's begin. I already did the sketch off camera as a preliminary step, and now with black using a small detail brush, I'm doing the left eye. I will fill the inside part of the eye and the area that is around the eye. Every time we are painting eyes, one thing is extremely important. And the same rule applies even if we paint human eyes or animal eyes or cartoons or even if it's an artistic composition. The eyes are extremely reflective, and they will reflect light, they will reflect whatever is in the environment. And if we want to create a realistic eye, then we will have to keep in mind this rule. And for doing this, there are two different methods. First, it's to apply the color of the eye and then to apply the highlights. Or the second method, it's the one that I'm using right now, when I left some areas unpainted. Around the eyes, usually the fur is shorter. And in order to suggest that, I'm going to use short brush strokes. For the second eye, I'm going to use the same technique. First the edge, I'm going to fill the inside and I will leave some areas unpainted, and then the fur that is around it. In a portrait, the most important are the eyes. They will tell us if our character is happy or it's sad or it's surprised, or every kind of feeling that we would like to represent. The eyes are the ones that will suggest the mood. And here I want to give you a little advice. Try to stay away from symmetrical eyes. Why? Because there is a little difference in between the right eye and the left eye. So don't spend a lot of time trying to match the eyes. Put more on expression and less on symmetry. Moving on, I already painted the nose and I traced the ear, and now I am adding shadows around the nose, again with little strokes. For my dog, the light will be on the right side and the shadow will be on the left, so I will put more black on the left side to suggest that. For the top part, I'm going to use longer strokes, and I will fill the corner with black. And underneath the eye, I'm going to pretty much make the entire area black. I'm going to leave a little patch unpainted that will suggest the edge of the face. Okay, so the edges are done. And I'm texturizing a little bit here to avoid harsh contour. And I'm filling the area underneath the eye again with just black and a little texture on the edges, just like this. For the right side, a irregular spot. that will suggest the structure of the face.
Hey, I want to remind you that my art is available on t-shirts like this one that I'm wearing today. I'll link it in the description.
For the forehead, I'm using mostly vertical strokes. And I know that some of you will ask me what brush I am using. This is number 0 flat brush. I bought from Amazon a set of brushes and there are multiple sizes there, and for this painting, because I need more control, I choose number 0. Anyway, I'm going to list in the description the link where you can find these brushes. What I like about them is that they're versatile and they're not very expensive. A little later I will change the brush. For the background I'm going to use a bigger brush that will help me to paint faster, and for the color I'm going to use a brush that I have for a long time, and I don't know what size it is. I used it so much that the numbers and the brand, it's no longer visible. For the colors, I've chosen yellow, orange, and light blue. And of course, here you can choose different colors, or if you want, you can leave it just black and white, it will go fine. Or you can choose only one color as an accent. That will work great too. Now with orange, I am coloring the inside part of the eyes, around the eyes, on the forehead, and I'm enhancing the edges of the face. A little around the nose. And I apply a second layer around the edge in order to make a more opaque orange. For the light blue, I will fill the area that is in between the orange and the yellow. A little bit around the nose. And around the ear. Around the eye, just a little accent. Even if I am painting over the black area, later on I will come again with black and I will redefine the black and the colorful area. And here I came back to my orange, but I had it mixed a little bit with yellow, so it will be a brighter orange. Here, let the spontaneity be your best guide, and I'm sure that it will look great. I would love to see your creation, so tag me on Instagram. For the background, I will apply a generous layer of black, and in some areas I'm going to go twice just to make sure that it is a good opaque black. I'm not going to be very careful here on the edges because I will texturize it in a bit. In order to get a negligent look for the edges, With the color that I have left on the brush from the background, I'm going to gently press against the support, and that will give me this look. Now I am back to my little brush, and for the final step, I'm going to do touch-ups. And here it will be based on what I think it needs to be added or removed from it. I am adding few dots on the edge, and that will texturize the ear. Few accents on the nose. What I'm doing here, I am trying to have a final look on the painting. And I'm asking myself what I like and what I don't like. And the things that I'm not very happy with, I'm trying to improve those to add more. If I'm happy with something, then I'm gonna leave it as is. So here there are gonna be lots of small touch-ups, such as here I'm trying to add a little bit of white for the eyes to make the eyes brighter. So there you have it. This is my colorful puppy dog. I want to invite you to pick up your brushes and your color and to paint. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.